Hello and welcome. If you're fishing for a long time or at least a year, I bet that at least once you had a thought that it would be nice to have a gadget which does the same functionality as this one. And in a moment I'm gonna tell you exactly what it does, but before that, if you'll find the content useful, don't forget to like the video, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you would like to support it and become a part of our community. So what this gadget does, it actually holds your hooks on the rod, and as you can see, well, it is pretty small. It comes with these free rubbers which are of a different size. Why these are different is because the handle of your rod is of a different size, and therefore you basically should use the one which fits your rod. I've prepared this one. I've prepared this rod just for the demonstration. That's actually a brand new one which I've recently received. It has this split ring at the end, but from my personal experience, if you fish for a couple of years with it, this ring will definitely rust, and if you keep your hook on this ring, the hook will rust with it. So how to use this gadget? It's always so simple and done within a couple of seconds. So you take the gadget, you put it on the rod, you take the rubber, wrap it around the rod, and just put it on the other end. And as you can see, it holds pretty tight on your rod. So as a demonstration, I've actually took this lure, and as you can see, it has this tripod, and well, the gadget itself, it actually holds it pretty good, and there is no damage to your rod at all. If you are used to keep your hooks or hold your hooks on your rings, I would say that it's not a good idea, because the ring might be damaged within it, inside, with the hooks, and if it is damaged, it might damage your line. So to have one of these, I think that it would be a pretty good idea, and well, it doesn't cost a lot. If you'd like to check the price, I'll put the link in the description for you to have a look. That's all that I wanted to show you today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.